Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Cox Internet online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and transfer your Cox Internet to a new location that you're moving to. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log into your Cox.com account. Next, click on the upper right-hand corner, the icon that looks like a person. Then click on My Account. Now, once you click on My Account, we have some blurred out information here. You're going to click on Move My Service, which is located right underneath your address. Now, once you click on Move Service, you want to enter the next or new service address to see if Cox is available in that area. So simply just enter your new address here and then click on check availability. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and transfer your Cox Internet online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.